Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're discussing a crucial aspect of the ongoing conflict: the top 5 Western vehicles and weapons captured by Russia and Ukraine. These captures have had significant implications for both sides, so let's dive right in. First on our list are the M777 Howitzers. These advanced artillery systems are known for their precision and range, providing critical fire support. The capture of M777s not only enhances Russian artillery capabilities, but also allows for more effective bombardments against Ukrainian positions. Next, we have the Javelin Anti-Tank Missiles. These portable systems are extremely effective against armored vehicles. Captured Javelins give Russian forces access to cutting-edge technology, allowing them to target and disable enemy tanks effectively. At number 3, we have the Bayraktar TB2 Drones, originally used by Ukrainian forces for reconnaissance and strike missions. Capturing these drones allows Russia to utilize their capabilities for intelligence gathering and targeted strikes, significantly impacting operational planning. Fourth on our list are the Humvees, or Humvees. These light tactical vehicles are designed for troop transport and can be used in various roles. Captured Humvees enhance mobility for Russian ground troops and can be equipped with various weapon systems. Finally, we have the capture of various small arms. A range of Western firearms, including rifles and machine guns, have been seized. These weapons provide Russian infantry with additional firepower and versatility on the battlefield. These captures highlight the shifting dynamics of warfare in Ukraine. Each vehicle and weapon has significant strategic implications that can alter the balance of power. If you found this video insightful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on military conflicts and strategies. Thanks for watching.